Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong New Moon in Cancer sa July 6, 2024, 6:57 a.m. Philippine time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng New Moon sa inyong lugar. So alam naman natin ang New Moon is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new pathways, new direction, anything new. Okay. So for you, Taurus, this is going to happen in your third house of communication, maaring new connections, friendships, learning. Okay. So itong reading na to pwedeng mas maka-resonate dito yung mga Taurus rising. But if you are Taurus Sun or Taurus Moon, pwede rin naman kasi we will also get some tarot cards for you. Okay? So, itong new moon in Cancer is happening in your third house. Maaring merong mga bagong friends, new connections, networking, mas nagpapalawak ka ng iyong mga group of friends, or pwede rin naman if you are into social media, meron kang platform, no? You have a platform na ginagamit to influence others, or you are a content creator, maaring mas dadami yung followers mo, viewers mo, accomplishments mo. Because also Venus is here, which is the planet of love, money, abundance. And I think you will also attract new connections, no? Pwedeng itong mga connections na to will lead to long-term friendships. Kasi meron siyang positive aspect sa Saturn, which is also in your 11th house of friendship and community. And meron din siyang positive aspect sa Mars, which is in your first house. So I think ngayon, mas energetic ka. You will experience na parang you want to do a lot of things, marami kang gustong ma-accomplish, mas ka ngayon, outdoorsy, mas not actually extroverted, but pwedeng mas outgoing ka ngayon, na especially kung this is going to support your dreams, your goals. So talagang determined ka, inspired ka na palawakin pa yung connections mo, yung network mo. Because you know that this is going to do wonders sa yung trabaho, sa business, sa career mo. Maaring rin, pwede rin, it will also open doors for new relationships, like romantic connections through friends. So I think you will also be taking care of yourself more during this time. And Saturn is in retrograde right now, nasa 11th house mo siya. So maaring may nire-reassess ka sa sarili mo na ano ba yung mga bagay na natupad mo na, no? Yung mga pangarap mo na natupad mo na, ano yung mga hindi pa? At yung mga natupad mo, ano ba yung mga ginawa mo para matupad yon? At yung mga hindi mo pa natutupad, iisipin mo kung ano sa tingin mo yung dapat gawin mo to make that happen. So, you are going to take action, and I think maaring meron mga taong makakatulong sa'yo na gawin yan. Yung iba sa inyo may travel opportunities na kung saan magta-travel ka with a large group of people. Oo. Di ba uso rin yan ngayon na parang aakyat sa bundok, tapos sa yung expedition na yon, member ka ng expedition na yon, sasali ka, mga ganon. Or sa mga i-explore na local places, no, mga beach, ganyan. At kung ano-ano pa. So you will enjoy being part of a group. Yung mga activities na kasama mo yung mga kaibigan mo or mga bagong connections. Let's see. You have the 5 of Wands. You have the 3 of Pentacles. Yes, very competitive yung iba sa inyo rito, Taurus. You want to, parang somehow you want to showcase your talents, your skills to others. Mas mapapansin ka rin ngayon. Mas maraming gustong makasama ka, makatrabaho ka, makakollaborate ka. You have the King of Pentacles and the Chariot. Wow. So some of you meron din kayong leadership role, no, sa career, sa trabaho, sa business ninyo. I also see financial stability for you. Maaring isa rin to sa strategy ninyo no, para mas lalo nyong mapaunlad yung inyong negosyo kung meron kayong negosyo. Kasi nga 'di ba sabi nila, your network is your net worth. The more na maraming nakakilala sa the more na malaki yung potential na kung ano man yung ventures, projects, business na gagawin mo, malaki yung potential na lumago agad yon dahil meron ka ng certain following, meron ng mga tao, may community na magsusupport sa'yo. And with the Chariot here, you are unstoppable, no? Kumbaga, tuloy-tuloy yung gusto mong marating. Walang makakapigil sa'yo. And you're also learning, no? Mas nagiging curious ka, mas open ka sa mga bagong ideas. This makes sense kasi third house is also about learning, mga bagong ideas. And I think, open na open ka sa mentorship. Yung tipong gusto mong matuto sa mga tao na alam mong successful, na marami kang mapupulot na aral sa kanila kung paano sila naging successful. So you will take advantage of that na makakuha ng mga ideas rin sa kanila, mga advice. Okay, let's see what else. Clouds. Okay, so clouds, ito ay potential issues, no? So some of you maaaring maka-experience ng potential issues with those people na kakompetensya mo. Siyempre, gano'n naman, lalo na sa business, no? Hindi may iwasan yan. Minsan, may mga kakompetensya tayo, but, you know, sabi nga nila, mind your own business. Oo. Mas mag-focus ka doon sa sarili mo, sa kung ano yung gusto mong palaguin, hindi yung pinapalago ng iba. Okay. You also have energy ng lady, so this can be the person na merong malaking influence sa'yo, or this may be your energy. This is a feminine or a female energy. Uy, may ship. Ship is about opportunities approaching to you. So, maraming opportunities na darating sa'yo through your connections, through your friends. Some of you, maaari ring merong mga pupuntahang places na kung saan marami kang matututunan doon. Pwedeng meron kang a-attend na convention, training, ayan, mga seminar. Merong mice. Okay, so mice is be careful sa mga belongings mo, no? Kasi meron ditong theft, may robbery. So someone might be, you know, getting your possessions. Kumbaga, minsan kasi hindi natin naiiwasan yung matataong lugar. So kapag nasa mataong lugar ka, alam mo na yung gagawin mo. Do not leave your valuables unattended. Di ba nakakalagay yan sa mga public places? Oo. So isang isang paalala. A public service announcement. Oy, okay. So someone also, I feel like meron ditong naiinggit. Or someone like jealous of your success. So be careful sa person na to. This can be a female or feminine energy. Someone who is older than you, no? Mas matanda sa'yo. Alam niyo yung iba, pwedeng kamag-anak niyo to no? Na may sense of jealousy dahil nakikita nila na mas umaangat ka. Minsan gusto nila na sana sila rin. Oo. But, you know, hindi naiiwasan yun So, you just have to protect your energies from these people. Lalo na't nakikita nila yun na mas nagiging busy ka, marami kang pinagkakaabalahan. Naisipin nila, sana ako rin si Taurus. Okay, you're very close to achieving your goal, Taurus. So, pagpatuloy mo lang kung ano yung mga gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Huwag ka mawala ng pag-asa. The more na nagpo-focus ka dyan sa mga goals mo, sa dreams, aspirations mo, you know, mas makukuha mo yan. Okay? Kasi I think, yung ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, you are very confident, no, na marami ka pang kayang gawin. O a win-win outcome is forecast. Ano man yung mga pinupurso mo sa buhay, yung resulta nito, magiging pabor pa rin sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye!